Good morning, guys, and welcome to another homeschool day in the life video. This one's starting out a little differently because my daughter and I have a field trip. It's just the two of us today. My son, I didn't pay for him to go on this field trip because it is an outdoors survival trip and it's just not his thing. So he's gonna stay home and do some schoolwork, even though he's sleeping right now. But we are headed over to do a survival class where we're gonna get to do a lot of fun stuff. And when we get back, we have some more schoolwork to do, right, little one?
No.
Yes, it's still a half a school day. So we're gonna take you with us all day today. So we'll see you guys in a bit. So this field trip was set up by our homeschool co-op, and you can only go to this place as a group. And it was so much fun. Our tour guide was very knowledgeable and very awesome. In this clip, the kids were learning how one of the many ways that you can collect water if you were stuck out in the wilderness. If you had a hot sunny day, over time the water from the leaves would evaporate and condense into the bag, and you could collect the water that way. They learned about snakes and how to look out for them and what kinds of snakes were poisonous. And then the most fun part we had was learning how to build a shelter. So he laid out a bunch of supplies for the kids, gave them a little example, and then allowed them to use their creativity to make a shelter. And then to test it, they poured water over the shelter like if it were gonna rain. Get what you need, darling. Huh? Awesome.
Why am I not going to pick it up from the ground?
We learned so many cool things on this field trip. For example, did you know that you could eat parts of Spanish moss while waiting to be rescued? Just make sure you don't pick it up off the ground because you know the dogs love to pee on it. But if you get it from the top of the trees, there's a part of it that you can eat that's right between the two, what she calls toes. And I thought that was pretty weird, pretty awesome though. We were also taught what things to put in a backpack for like a survival kit, the things we should carry with us. Also how to spot a natural spring and how to collect water and what to do if you find water, if you need water to drink. And to end off the day, they did a snake hunt with fake snakes to show which are dangerous and how to spot them.
Because the coral snake looks like the scarlet snake and the scarlet king snake, which are non-venomous in Florida.
And when we got home, my daughter filled out her field trip log with a description, her favorite and least favorite parts. She drew a picture and then wrote down 3 things she learned. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.